Welcome. If you want to get the most out of your Google experience, enabling smart features and other Google products through your Gmail app is a great way to start. These features use information from your Gmail to personalize and enhance your experience across Google services, like getting reminders from Google Assistant, seeing your reservations in Maps, or having travel info automatically appear in your calendar. Let's walk through the updated steps to enable these smart features right from your Gmail app. First, open the Gmail app on your device. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account you want to update. Next, look for the menu icon. It's the three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger icon, usually found in the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it to open the side menu. Now, scroll down until you see the option labeled Settings. Tap on Settings to access your account preferences. On the Settings screen, you'll see a list of all the email accounts you've added to your Gmail app. Tap on the email account where you want to enable smart features. Once you're inside your account settings, scroll until you find the section called Smart Features and Personalization in Other Google Products. Here, you'll see a checkbox or toggle next to this option. To turn on these features, simply check the box or switch the toggle to the On position. This will allow Google to use your Gmail data to personalize your experience in other Google products, such as Google Maps, Calendar, and Assistant. With this setting enabled, you'll start to notice helpful suggestions and reminders based on your emails, like bill due dates, travel updates, and even restaurant reservations showing up in the right places at the right time. Remember, you're always in control. If you change your mind, you can return to these settings and turn the feature off at any time. That's it. You've just unlocked a smarter, more connected Google experience, all starting from your Gmail app. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new personalized features.